Hi guys, on this video I want to do a haul because I got a package today and I'm excited and wanted to share with you guys. I placed an order on Sephora because they're currently having the VIP sale again. So I purchased some new makeup. And so yeah, starting off, I got this LANCôME foundation in the color 455 and I'm currently wearing it right now. And yeah, the only reason why I know like my color is because I did like a color match at the Sephora store, but I purchased this online because online there's a better deal where you get this little, if you purchase this, it comes with this little pouch that has like it has like this little sample size primer and the setting powder. So that was really good. I love pouches and I do see myself reusing this. Like this can be like a really good pouch to use for travel, you know, to put your ticket and your passport and any little knickknacks in there when you're traveling. Like yeah, this could come in handy. But yeah, that's the reason why I decided to purchase the foundation online, because I saw that it comes with this free pouch and the little samples. And I also got this little kit by Clinique. It's the, what is it called? The Blackberry Bedazzled kit. And it has the classic almost lipstick, full size of this lipstick. And I'm currently have it on right now. And it comes with the mascara, a little exclusive limited edition mini like eyeshadow palette, and a black eyeliner. And yeah, it comes in this little pouch. It's very cute with glitter. I've been handling it and I'm surprised that no glitter has come off and made a mess. So far so good with the quality of this glitter pouch. And also I have the eyeshadow on my eyes and I think it's pretty good, pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, and I also got the Sephora Vib, which I did a review on my channel a couple of days ago, and I was not kidding when I said that I really liked it. So I ended up picking up this, and I got this little kit, and it has a full size of the mascara with the little mini one and this little cute little heart mirror. I got it online because at the Sephora store I did not see this kit. I saw other kits that had like the full size, the mini, and like an eye makeup remover, but I did not want the eye makeup remover. I really wanted the little heart, so that's why I ended up purchasing this kit online, because that's the only place I saw it. So yeah, I got that. And I also got this black brown eyeliner by MCGRATH, and I'm really excited to try it. This is my first time trying high-end eyeliner. I usually go with my trusty prestige eyeliner from the drugstore, which is a couple of dollars, but this one is pretty pricey. It's like $28, I believe. So yeah, it's pretty pricey for me, and I'm really excited to try it and see if it's worth the money. And I also picked up this eyeliner by Urban Decay. It's like a navy blue color. It's beautiful. It's called Sabbath, and this is going to look beautiful on the waterline. It is a beautiful, beautiful dark blue, a navy blue color. It almost looks black, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it for my waterline. I think it's going to look really pretty, and it's going to make the white on my eyes look even whiter. And yeah, that's why I got this. Another item from Pat McGrath that I picked up is the highlighter. I don't normally like highlighters, but this one just seemed very unique to pass, and it did not look like glitter, like really chunky glitter. It just looks like a nice sheen. I actually have some on right here. I don't know if it's noticeable, but that's how good this highlighter is. It's like, it's not heavy, or you know, it's just very light, and it has a nice sheen, and it's like a nice iridescent to it. It has like this bronzy color, this middle color. Even though it looks white on camera, on the skin it looks more of a gold. And then this other color here at the end, even though it looks white as well on camera, and on the skin it has like an iridescent pearl kind of look to it. It has like a really nice pink color. I don't know, it's, I would say more like iridescent type of color that kind of looks different with the light, and it's really, really pretty and unique. And actually this color was what sold me, and what, you know, really got me interested in purchasing this palette, because it's just so unique and different. And I can't wait to experiment and try many ways of using it, because you can really get creative with this highlighter. And last but definitely not least, I picked up this powder. It's the dual finish multitasking powder foundation in one. It says all day wear, and yeah, I got it in the color 450. I'm really excited about this, and can't wait to start using it. So yeah, those were the things that I picked up. I also purchased a lot of Tasha products, but I'm returning all of them because after I purchased it, I continued to do some more research and investigation, because when I purchased it, I realized, like, you know, Tasha is really expensive. Like, I really want to make sure it's really good for me and everything is really good before I, you know, really take the plunge and spend my money. So after doing that, I realized that it's really not worth it. The products are really overpriced. The ingredients are not, some of them are not that great. In fact, they could even be kind of not so good for your skin. So for that reason, I'm returning basically all of my Tasha that I got. I got this package. I got the essence, which is like $95. I got the Violet C brightening serum, the dewy skin cream. And so yeah, all these items, I'm taking them back to the store and returning them and getting my money back, because, you know, like, after further investigation, I found out that it's just not worth it. It's not the best. it's more of a waste of money. So yeah, but yeah, that was my haul. I got some free items. I got, well, I originally, well, a little rant with Sephora, because they always seem to do it, is that they make you pick your samples, but when you get your package at home, it's not the samples that you picked, it's like something else. But yeah, I wanted like 2 samples of this Diva Curl, but I ended up getting this Laura Mercier like lip colors. But yeah, I'll try it. I love lipstick, but they all seem like something that I already have. I guess if you want to take advantage of the Sephora sale, I think the best way to go is online. You know, you can purchase through eBay. Plus, online there's much better gift sets as opposed to the store. Like, you don't really see that many good gift sets at the actual store, so it's just better to go online and purchase these really good gift sets that Sephora currently has. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.